It's a rat. Yo, it's a sea train. No way. Are you serious right now, bro? Bro. Listen to D. It's coming in few anyway. Too crowded. Too crowded anyway. Plus, it's only coming in 2 minutes anyway. Yo, I heard that. Yep, the new train's up there. Can I go up there? Dad, it's up there. I'm not joking. Can I just go up there for 1 second? I'll come right back. We'll come right back down.
No.
Oh.
You chose this.
Okay, right. What's my excuse anyway? Who expected a lemon on this platform anyway? False alarm, just an E-train. Alright, there should be an F train or a D train. And the yellow train that's not running behind is the M or the B. Because the B doesn't run. Alright, I can tell it's an E train up there because.
No, you go up there.
I said I could tell it's an E train. Honestly, I loved it. I love this music. Dad, train's here. Oh, it's a D train. What train is it? Oh, wait. I'm an idiot. It's a D train. What else would it be? Dad.
Let's go.
Chica pie. Why here?
Because it's only 2 stops to go there.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious?
We only going 2 stops anyway.
Actually, only 1 stop.
Exactly. That's right, this doesn't stop at 14. I'm always forget that.
Yeah, you always will forget that. We're gonna go right under 14th Street. I'll get the world? At least not Russia, though. At least not Russia.
Right, when you didn't behave, what did you get?
Russia.
No, you got Queens. When you behave, what did you get? When you behave, what did you get?
The world. Even Russia.
Even Russia. When you don't behave, what do you get?
Half of the world.
No, you get what? Queens.
understand that pun now.
Right. So when you behave, you get what? When you don't behave, you get.
Queens. Everywhere.
That's what no. You just get
Straight up home.
straight up home.
H-O-M-E. That's how you spell home, but that's not what you want. You want the world.
Right. You don't behave, you get from here.
Oh, wait. No, wait, that's the same sea train I saw. What the heck? Over here. Yo. Chill out. Dude, what are you doing? This is perfect.
That's what I'm trying. You gotta listen to me, man. No. Right, come here, no.
What?
Not where you were at before.
Actually, that other shot was actually very uncomfortable.
Right here. Right here. No, film this. Focus on the seat. Focus on the seat. Focus on the seat.
This one's leaving first.
You stand right here. You can catch it.
After that, we're gonna go up there.
Then catch the W.
Hurry up! Hurry up, yo, lemon. I'm out of here. Shoot that bar. Rock that bar. I am not impressed with what I'm seeing right now.
I'm here. Do not deviate from this right here.
This is causing severe congestion.
Stay right here.